Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn about shortcut keys to insert rows and columns in Excel. Insert rows using shortcut keys. First, let's insert a row. To select a full row, either click on the row header number or press Shift spacebar to select the entire row using the keyboard. Now press Ctrl+ to insert a new row. This shortcut works best on keyboards with a numeric keypad. If your keyboard does not have a numeric keypad, you can use another shortcut. Press Alt-I+R. Here, I stands for insert, R stands for row. A new row will be inserted above the selected row. Insert multiple rows. To insert multiple rows, select the same number of rows as you want to add. Then press Ctrl+ or Alt-I+R. Excel will insert the same number of new rows. Insert columns using shortcut keys. Now let's insert a column. Select a full column by clicking on the column header letter, or press Ctrl spacebar to select the entire column. Now press Ctrl+ Alt-I+C. Here, C stands for column A. New column will be inserted before the selected column. To insert multiple columns, simply select multiple columns first, then use the same shortcut. And that's how you can quickly insert rows and columns using shortcut keys in Excel. To learn more useful Excel tutorials, watch my other videos.